Hi friends, this is Amazon brand Solimo Orange Face Scrub. This is suitable for all skin types. Now I unbox it. Okay, now I take it from the Amazon box. This face scrub washes away dirt and impurities and cleanses your skin. This is free from paraben and phthalates. It washes away dirt and impurities and cleanses your skin. This is 300 grams package. In this also one layer is covered. Now I cheer it. The MRP of Amazon brand Solimo Orange Face Scrub is 500. I will give the link in the description to buy this Amazon brand Solimo Orange Face Scrub. Okay friends, I will give the review for this product in our Simple Tech YouTube channel. So subscribe our channel and keep support us. Okay friends, we will see in the another video. Until then, bye friends.